Two people passed me, runners and whatnot, and they reached the same closure. And when they passed me about 2 minutes ago, they never said it was closed. So we're all having to walk back. I would have told somebody, hey, don't bother walking another 50 meters because it's closed. You can't pass there. That's just me. Well, we just exited Bari. Got a long walk today. Lots of road noise today. I prefer the olive groves. But it's gonna be a long walk, but it's gonna be along the shore. It should be pretty. I see all this driftwood here. It's just beautiful. I wish I could take it all home. For about 2 hours and I haven't passed a single bar. Just want a coffee. You know, I like stopping in bars because you can take your backpack off and readjust stuff, get some fresh water because my water bottle's empty, and all that takes a lot of energy. So anyway, I'm looking for a bar so I can have a cappuccino, and this is the quietest place in 2 hours that I have been able to record something for you. I've got beautiful ocean on one side, rocky shore, not sandy at all, but beautiful. Look at this old guardrail. This is old. That's what seawater does. Still haven't found a cafe. Walking 2.5 hours now. 2 hours and 45 minutes of walking and not a single bar where I can get a coffee. It's not like I'm asking for much. I've passed 4 pecherias. But now I'm getting cranky, and it's all I can think about is getting a cappuccino. I might as well be walking in the Sahara Desert. There's nobody on the shore. I don't get it. It's beautiful. It's sunny. Shouldn't people be in the water or on the rocks sunning? Where are they? a town called Torre a Mare, and it's very nice. The whole walk has been nice, if not a little desolate. This is the trail. I'm right next to the autostrada, and there's really no place for a pilgrim to walk here. So I'm trying to walk on the other side of this white line. Can't go on the other side. So this is pretty dangerous for pilgrims. I see these vineyards that are covered with plastic, and walking next to them, it's like walking in a sauna. Tree. The road is much longer than I thought it would be, and it looks like I'm only like halfway on it. But you know what I like about it? It's nice and quiet. I've been going for about 5 hours. Well, we made it, and I don't know when the next train is, but we're at the Mola di Bari train station. What's next door? Bar. I don't know what it is about after walk, but I just want a beer. I don't know what that's all about, but I don't care. Because I'm having my after walk beer. It's a Stella Artois. It's cold. I don't know when the next train is. My feet are tired, and I walked 30,000 steps. It's the longest day so far. And it's 6 hours of walking. I didn't think I could do it, but I wound up here, and so I'm pretty happy. So the next thing we have to do is take a train from Mola di Bari back to Bari, home base 3. And today was, well, we did see an inchworm. Was that the coolest thing ever today? Yes, it was.
bravo in cucina, ma ci provo, quindi sii gentile.
Guten Abend, gut Nacht, mit Rosen bedacht.